Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to resubscribe to emails in Gmail. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to resubscribe to emails in Gmail. Start by locating an older message from the sender in your box. Scroll to the bottom of that email and look for a resubscribe or manage preferences link, as many newsletters include a direct option to rejoin. If you can find a message, visit the sender's website, check the newsletter, subscribe, or sign up sections, then re enroll. Additionally, Gmail offers a managed subscription feature, which centralizes all your active subscriptions in one place. While it allows you to track or unsubscribe from emails, you'll need to use the sender's email or website to resubscribe. As helpful tip, consider marking the sender as not spam and adding them to your contacts to ensure future emails reach your inbox reliably. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.